Hey guys, William Murphy here and welcome back to the channel and welcome to another video. Today's a very exciting day for me because I've got a package. And what's in my package, you ask? Well, let me show you. First of all, got a little black box. Inside the little black box are polarizing filters, ND filters, which will be very handy for shooting car shots. A little metal case, which for SD cards. What else? Oh, screen protectors. The DJI Mic 2 audio. It's a twin microphone setup with charging case. And the bit I've been waiting for. An Osmo Pocket 3 camera. So the Osmo Pocket 3, I have seen videos on this camera and been absolutely obsessed with the rollers. Now, I do a lot of car videography, and this is going to be absolutely game-changing for their videos coming forward. So inside we have the camera. I have already opened this. So here is the camera. It is very, very small, and it sort of fits inside the palm of my hand, and it looks pretty awesome. So to switch it on, you rotate the screen, the gimbal activates. Obviously you can see on the camera where I'll turn it off. The gimbal locks away and it can go inside the protective case. So I've ordered a fully protective case for this. I've also ordered a waterproof case for it, and there's a battery pack that should be on its way as well. So that's the first section of it. And here we've got instruction packs and such like. Nice little DJI sticker. Quick start guide. And in here we've got the base and some cables, it looks like. And a wrist strap. Perfect. So next up we have the DJI Mic 2 wireless microphone set. Now the reason I got this was because when I'm doing in-car filming, it's always good to have multiple aspects of things, and I'd be really keen to doing some more videos of interview style videos this year with cars and owners. So inside here you've got a lovely little box. That's solid. I believe these are probably charging lights. So press it. Oh, look at that. Oh, turns on. So I think we've got that's a lightning cable, and that's a USB-C cable, two little microphones, and then the actual receiver, but it's also small. DJI Mic 2 receiver. Now I haven't set anything up as yet. Look at that. That's really cool. Also in the bag, I think we're going to have the wind muffs. First wind muff there. And a second wind muff on the other side, and a charging cable. So Cool little charging pack inside a protective bag, which can be stored nicely. And that looks like it's sort of waterproof as well. Maybe not showerproof, I think, probably the best way to describe it. So I've got my camera, I've got my ND and polarizing filters, I've got the camera, I've got the microphones, memory card holder, base pack. Wow, that is an exciting haul. Right then, let's get this set up. So because it's touchscreen and because these are going to be exposed to the elements, I went for the screen protectors. So you've got one for the back, and I think you've got a lens protector for the front as well. Temporary glass. It might be a little bit overkill, but I think it's better be safe than sorry. So with it in this case, I think I'll give it a clean up now. Take this piece here off. Okay, so screen protectors are now on, and I realised it's much easier fitting the camera in this way in than it is fitting it the other way. Rear screen protector, front screen protector. Next up is memory cards. So I've got a little slot on this side here for memory card. And they're pretty sizable memory cards. So this here is a 128 gigabyte memory card. That is absolutely massive. Let's see if we can get this switched on. English. Scan the QR code and download the app and connect. Swipe to skip. Now I have that installed on my phone, but I'm currently filming with the phone. Swipe from the left edge for playback. No files on SD card. Oh. Amazing. So I can do this and press record. Tilt, press 5D. Hey. Oh, that's super cool. So it's good to play back. So you can do. Let's go 1, 2, 3. Hey! Right, it's time now, I think, to learn how to use this in the background. and hopefully we can make some awesome videos. Included as well is this extendable grip. So this is for, obviously in the bottom of this you've just got a USB-C, but on the bottom of this one I've got a 1/4 inch thread. So as far as I am aware, it'll go one way. As long as you make sure that the 2 clips are in either side. And I think the battery grip as well is a similar setup. And then you have a button on the back which you can press, which will then release the arms and that'll come out. That, because I've got big hands, might make it a little bit easier to hold as I'm filming. So I recently saw on YouTube this incredible video of rollers being filmed with the Pocket 3. Using the Mimo app, you can then track certain things, which is one of the main reasons why I was really interested in this camera. So I can attach the camera to the back of the car. I can, using the Mimo app, highlight what I want to track, i.e. car, motorbike, push bike, person, whatever, and then press record and it will do the rest. So as I'm driving and the camera's on the back of the car following me will be tracked, whether it goes and changes lanes, or it goes to overtake. Obviously the camera has its limitations to how far it can rotate, but you can do multiple shots, and hopefully going forward that will make things really, really cool, really easy to use, and really sort of dynamic with what I can capture and what I can bring to you guys as well. So yeah, I'm super impressed. I'm gonna try and get out with it at some point, test it out and see what happens, and all being well, it's going to be a massive improvement to the video quality that you've seen so far, and long may it continue. Back in a bit. Thanks for watching so far.